So officially this video has no script. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tales by Tanishka. My name is Tanishka Sharma. So honestly, I don't have a script for this video and I really wanted to talk my heart out in front of you guys. I have been missing in action for quite some time now. It's been months that I have filmed a long form video. So first of all, I would like to apologize for the same, and you have been so patient and generous with me that literally every time I uploaded a short video, you followed me and you subscribed me on this channel. First of all, thank you so much for showing so much love to an inconsistent YouTuber like me. I know things doesn't work like that in this industry at least, but now I think it's time that officially we should give our channel a new identity or a new niche. I have been gatekeeping this one thing from you guys for a very long time now, that I am a PCB student. I took physics, chemistry and biology in my class 12th. Then I studied pharmacy for 2 years and I'm a registered pharmacist now. And now I really want to study again. I really want to start my student life again. So I am preparing for NEET 2027. It has been my biggest kept secret till now from you guys also. But now I have finally decided to share my journey. I had this one dream like from my childhood. हम टीचर्स हमसे कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछता है बचपन में, एंड इन दैट स्लैम बुक्स ऑल्सो वी यूज टू फिल आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम एन डॉक्टर, आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम एन इंजीनियर, आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम एन एस्ट्रोनॉट. बट that dream that was planted in me when I was, I think, 4 or 5 years old, and it's my dad's dream also, and it's my dream also, that I want to see myself in that white coat. So I have decided to start my journey for NEET 2027, and I would like to make all of you part of my preparation. So I have decided that I will vlog each and every day of my preparation till NEET 2027, and I will share my experiences, my high days, my low days. If you have been part of this channel from the beginning, from the start, from the scratch, you must have known all the challenges, all the medical conditions that I have gone through. I made videos around it when I felt the time was right, but now it's been very long since I updated you guys. So I would like to tell you that I was diagnosed with severe asthma, with fungal sensitivity and a lot of things. So basically I am fighting with that thing also. So मेरे सारे दिन perfect नहीं होते हैं, but I try to make them positive and productive to showcase my journey with all the hardships and challenges that a NEET aspirant has in his or her life. So if any one of you felt connected, or you felt that we belong together in this journey, you should hit that subscribe button, and you should follow me on Instagram.
Let's create a community that help each other grow, and let's create a safe space for each other. I know most of the NEET aspirants or any aspirants who are preparing for any competitive exam miss out on this thing, because nobody understands the pain, what feeling you are going through in this preparation phase. And I think personally I have done that also, and I have been there, done that. So I know that this phase in the life, it is one of the most worst phases. You lose your friends, you are socially isolated, and you need someone to hold on and to
express yourself. So I want to create a community with my fellow NEET aspirants or any aspirants. So you must follow me. We will have live study sessions on this channel. I'll upload regular vlogs. I'll share my tips and tricks that will definitely make your preparation easy. So on this channel I have created videos around travel, fashion, makeup, DIYs and a lot of stuff. So there is a lot more to my personality other than studying or being a student. So I would like to express myself in the form of vlogs, study vlogs in the long form. And now I'll be uploading my other side, like my my hobbies and what I do in my free time or to refresh myself in the short form. So make sure you are subscribing me and following me on Instagram. This is my Instagram page, Tales X Tanishka, and I'll be uploading more content over Instagram and YouTube now, and I'll promise to be regular. Thank you so much if you watched till here. Tanishka Sharma signing off. Bye.